All right, good morning. I just woke up and not every day is eventful, so you guys can get to know me a little bit more. I'm gonna be doing like a little get ready with me, but I have breakfast with me, so let me show you what I have for breakfast. So this morning we have some tomato, basil, and cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then we have some corn. Yeah, so that's my morning. This is literally my favorite salsa. It's literally so delicious. Like, I can't with that. So, if you've never tried tomato, basil, and tomato, you're in for a treat. That's what I'm doing already. I have like a bad habit of eating my food without a drink and like dying and choking every day. I've been working out now again, so which is why I'm eating what I'm eating right now, because I'm trying to be healthy food, healthy life. Should I just make a whole video of me just eating, like not saying anything, just eating? Okay, anyways, even if I look this rough on video, I've always been a person who loves being vulnerable. Sometimes I kind of take this channel as like an advice channel. All my friends know I'm always pushing for them to be the best version of themselves. And since I moved, like, I wasn't able to talk to a lot of my friends like that, so I thought this would be a great, awesome gateway. It's also really fun to just create content for fun. So it's like me talking to my friends. That's how I feel. I'm gonna finish eating this. I'm going to let this digest so I can go to the bathroom, and then you'll get ready with me. Like YouTube about, like, what is my channel about? And I've come to the conclusion to like say that at first I was going for like more like just on growth and like books I've read and like concepts I know that help me grow, which are not bad things. Like, that's actually like a really great platform, but I realized that like I wasn't feeling like I just wanted to talk about that. Like, I wanted more. I wanted to have fun. Like, I knew that beyond just me knowing about my mind, knowing about this, like, I knew that there was literally more to me. Like, this YouTube thing is not really my full-time job. It's not my job at all. Actually, I'm actually doing this because my whole life I've never been creative, which is why I loved this, because for the first time I was actually editing parts that were funny that I naturally already say, because like the way I like show and present myself is already how I am. So then I realized I kind of just wanted to gear my videos very differently. What YouTube has been for me is a platform that has connected me with people like I would have never connected with, like business owners, real estate agents, beauty gurus, funny people just in general. And that's why I kind of like loved watching YouTubers in general. And so honestly, when I made this channel, I was just like, dude, I want to be that on my own, you know? Like, I want to create a friend vibe. Like, when I started this YouTube channel, it was sort of just to be your friend. And to be your friend that you would say like, oh wow, this friend's going to help me grow. Because as you have seen from some of my videos are not comfortable. They're really about how you're going to grow as a person, how I've managed my money, and have like a great credit score at my age. I am 22, if you guys are wondering. I have really good financial stability, you can say. So like, I'm just that friend who really has worked on herself so much that I will give so much more to you too. Like, that's who I am. And I love sharing that about me. YouTube has done that for me. And like, this is more like my introduction to my channel, actually. I want you guys to grow alongside with me, like my family, looking at this, and you guys obviously join the ride with me in this video. It's a little bit more fun. I'm also gonna get ready. Let's kind of jump into that. But like, so I'm wearing this stroke shirt. Hi, my friend made it for me. Her name's Terry. It's just gonna be funny right now because I'm gonna attempt to wax my outfit. That was disturbing. Oh my god, disgusting. All right, I'm back. I'm eating pretzels with peanut butter. Okay, here I go, guys. I'm sweating. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. This is gonna be wrong, but like, we obviously need someone to pull on here, but since I have no one, I can use this. My skin stretches when I obviously stretch my arm. That one worked. That worked. I'm crying again. I'm like literally crying and regretting, and also I'm thinking of just like freaking tweezing that off. forgot all of my pre-waxing things. No wonder it's probably hurting so bad. I knew something was missing. I'm really doing the next one off camera. Oh my god, look, you can literally see my hair is being pulled. Oh! That's so painful. I would rather the regular honey. Hello? It smells really good. Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye. So I'm almost done with this right arm, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Meanwhile, the next wax kind of cools down because it was kind of hot and I don't want it to be boiled. I just want to say I appreciate you. I really do. Join me in my journey. It's honestly just fun. It's fun. You get to learn a little and honestly just get to enjoy it. Message me on IG if you'd like. I would love to answer questions. Anything really. I believe that the more natural beauty is what radiates the most. The beauty within, honestly. It sounds funny and cliche, but obviously like that's the beauty to me. When I meet people, I look at how they are as a person, their morals, their values, all of that, their ethics, all of those things I look for. That's what I hope that when you guys are looking at my videos, you guys are also searching for that within me. And obviously always positive energy. I'm always wishing you guys the best as well, and I would love to hear what you guys are on to, especially as my channel progresses and you start seeing more things about me, obviously, and start seeing what I'm actually doing here in Washington. When you guys start seeing that, I'm really excited to see what you guys are on and how you guys are doing your like incomes and how you guys are gonna be people with multiple incomes, if anything, right? Let's change. I'm gonna fix my nails up too. So if this is reminding you of anything, just get ready, guys. Make yourselves look good. Nail aid works well for me. So that's that. You see, I like that gloss. Yep. So keep yourself clean, ladies or men, whoever. Honestly, whoever's watching this, keep yourself clean. I've been using cuticle balm for my cuticles, obviously, and specifically I do like conditioning my lips. Doesn't do much, but I'm gonna use my gloss. It's a lip plumper by Too Faced. It's cool and all, but I mean it doesn't really do much after a while. Literally still look the same, but it's okay because I feel different within. Okay, so next I'm just gonna do my hair real quick for you guys. Get little, they call them pinzas in Spanish, but I don't know what they call them in English. I'm just gonna put my hair out a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put it down so you guys can see me a little better. But I see my hair is a little, well, poofy now because I went through it, but kind of how my hair looks from. It might look bad on camera, and if it does, it's fine. Yeah, but this is kind of how my hair is looking like. It's kind of what I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna wear my sneakers with this. I'm the worst. I literally just finished eating and I forgot to film an outro. So yes, I was gonna wear makeup. Yes, I was gonna put mascara on. Yes, I was gonna highlight my eyebrows. Yes, I was gonna do a lot of things, but I didn't, and I'm totally fine with that. But now, so welcome to my channel, guys. Hope you guys want to be my friend, and if you guys do want to be my friend, subscribe down below, like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I can say. I really appreciate it every time or anytime I have a new follower. That is all I have, but I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Always prosper in life and expect more from yourself, not others. Thank you. Love you.